Hello, I'm Luke Jackson from Jackson's Nurseries, and I'm going to share some tips on how to choose a conifer, then talk about when and where they can be planted. Some conifers, such as the Orlandi I've got here on my right, are very fast growing. To avoid any issues, carefully consider the eventual height and spread of any varieties that take your interest. And don't forget that tall growing varieties won't just stop growing when you want them to. If you're looking to grow a tall growing variety, make sure you can commit to trimming at least once per year. Keep conifers in mind for purposes other than hedging too. Dwarf varieties make stunning rockery plants. Low growing varieties like this Juniper horizontalis blue chip makes an excellent ground cover, and a number of varieties are great for adding year-round colour to a container, perhaps with summer bedding around the outside like the one I've got here. Containerised conifers can be planted at any time of the year, providing the ground is not frozen or waterlogged and it's not excessively windy. If you have the choice, early autumn often works best, so the roots can establish below ground whilst the soil is still warm. The only exceptions are pines and cedrus, which are best planted in the spring. Root ball conifers, such as these Juniper skyrocket, are grown in the field, dug up and provided in Hessian sacks. They can be planted between mid-October and early April. Whether you're planting root balled or containerised conifers, if the conditions aren't suitable when you take delivery of your plants, store them in a cool, light, frost-free place out of the sun. A garage or outbuilding is ideal. Conifers are renowned for preferring an acidic soil, ideally a well-drained loam. If you have a neutral or alkaline soil, incorporate plenty of well-rotted pine needles or ericaceous compost into the planting hole. If you have a heavy clay soil, incorporate around 1/3 horticultural grit to improve the drainage. Most conifers grow best in full sun, but a bit of afternoon shade is preferred for dwarf conifers grown in warmer southern parts of the UK. Some conifers, such as pines, are very familiar with tough conditions and will cope with almost anything you throw at them. Other ornamental varieties, like Chamaecyparis, are best grown in a more sheltered position, as cold winds will scorch the foliage, creating brown patches that won't regenerate. For more information about conifers or to order for delivery to anywhere in the UK, please visit our website at www.jacksonsnurseries.co.uk. Thank you for listening. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more gardening advice and how-to videos. Alternatively, you can watch some of the other videos from our collection.